Because yeah, guys, if you all right, so here we are. We're 0.7 mile away from the rocks. Chain of Rocks Park and bridge. Mississippi Greenway. All right, so Chain of Rocks Park. So guys, you guys come up here. It's like a little rest area. I think we're gonna do a rest and a battery swap here, guys. But wow, that Land and Water Conservation Fund, living on the edge, the best of two worlds. But guys, that bridge looks very wet. Very wet and icy. Look at that guy in electric just gone right through it. City of Madison, Illinois. So now, guys, we've crossed over. We're not in the we're not in Missouri anymore. We are in old Chain of Rocks Bridge, City of Madison, Illinois. And up above there, all the way at the top, I don't know if you guys can see that, it says the historic Missouri US 66 route. So this is where the old trail begins. So yeah, guys, we got 12 minutes. I don't know if we can maybe cross it. Yeah, let's do it. Why not? You know, we can rest on the other side because there's going to be another small bridge after this. But this plaque here recognizes some fella named Ted Curtis because of his energy, inspiration, and dedication to service. Gave the trail net from 1988 as founder, president, and executive director. So this fella is probably important around here, or was important around here. So yeah, we got 12% left, guys, and I just saw that guy coast right through. But yeah, this is all icy, guys, and wet. So let's proceed with caution. But this is very cool, guys. You know, if you're no motor vehicles, guys, so yeah, if you have a motor bicycle, electric, you'll be fine. But wow, guys, this is something else. There's the car bridge if you need it. And wow, and you see the arch all the way down there. You see the arch. And the city of St. Louis. This is worth a photo here, guys. So apologies. Hopefully our battery lasts. But so there we go. Okay. So guys, you don't really need the okay, so a great view of St. Louis. So guys, sorry about that, but I couldn't pass it up. Wow, it's such a beautiful sunny day. On a massive river, so free radio and TV, 66 out of court, no vacancy. Route 66 bench. So yeah, guys, imagine cycling the entire Route 66, you know, from, I don't know where it ends, like I think Santa Monica or something. Wow. So yeah, this just might have melted today. So I got so lucky, guys. We got so very lucky. Alright, something. Remember the Victims, Do the Right Thing by Julie Carey. United we stand, divided we fall. Julie Carey and Robin Carey. Divided we fall. It's not a black-white thing. We as a new generation, we got to take a stand, united as one. We've got to stop killing one another. You don't have to be black or white to feel prejudiced, to fall in love, experience pain, to create life, to kill, to die. You just have to be human to do the right thing. So there's a little motivating motivational plaque from the Carey couple. Right in the middle. And yeah, this bridge is a lot taller than the car bridge there. Yeah, there's a little dam there. I wonder how you cross the river. By having a natural dam.